Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to cancel Shopify free trial. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your Shopify account and click on the settings and select plan, and here we can see the option deactivate trial. So click on deactivate trial and cancel subscription and deactivate store. Click here and before you go, review the steps to take before closing your store. You can read this article before you close your account or store. And now, what is the main reason you're closing this store? Click here and select the reason and click on continue. And now enter your Shopify account password and click on deactivate now. And this is how we can cancel Shopify free trial.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.